Hello everyone. This video explains how to do double-sided elastic knitting, which is simple and perfect for children's and baby knits. It uses a 1x1 elastic knit structure. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 2 rows. The 2 sides can both be right, but they are significantly distinct. The first is some variation of the English rib stitch. The second has a waffle effect and a beautiful fine grain relief. At the end of the video, I will explain how to knit this pattern in the round. The number of stitches in the pattern is a multiple of 2 plus 1 for symmetry and 2 ends. Row 1 is on the wrong side. We work with the loops in pairs. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is purl 1, slip 1 with a yarn over loop, purl 1, slip 1 with a yarn over, purl 1, slip 1 with a yarn over. Row 2 is on the right side. We work with the loops in pairs. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is purl 1, and knit 2 together. Again, purl 1, and knit 2 together. Purl 1, and knit 2 together. When knitting in the round, if this is the right side, the first row is knitted as follows. Row 1, knit 1, slip 1 with a yarn over, knit 1, slip 1 with a yarn over. The second row is the same. Row 2, purl 1, knit 2 together, purl 1, knit 2 together. I have presented a double-sided knit with a unique texture, ideal for round knitting. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.